How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple accounts in the TikTok app on both an iPhone and an Android phone. So if you want to have multiple accounts logged in within the TikTok app and you want to be able to switch between them, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily do that. All right, so the first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone, and then you want to navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon in the bottom right of the app. Once you get to your profile, at the very top, you'll see your username with an arrow next to it. Select it. And then as you can see at the bottom, it says switch account. And all we need to do to add another account to our TikTok app is select add account. We can either sign up for a new TikTok account, or if you want to log into an existing TikTok account, I don't already have one, so I'm going to select use phone or email, and then I will create a new TikTok account. Once you're done signing up, you will then be logged into that new TikTok account that you just created or logged into. And if you want to switch between the multiple accounts you have on your TikTok app, all you need to do is go to your profile page, select the username at the top of the screen, and then you can switch between the accounts that way. All right, so that's how you add multiple accounts on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.